Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2900 series 2910. I'm going to show you how to print photo from your mobile phone computer with this printer. The photo paper we have here is 4x6. So first of all, we need to remove the A4 paper we have here. You need to make sure the smooth part need to face up. The rough part need to be at the back. Then adjust this with a clip. So this is 4x6 photo paper. The smooth part is up. The rough part need to be at the back. Now to print photo, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device and laptop are connected to the same network. We connected all via wireless network. And to print photo, this is HP app. You tap on the screen, then select print photos. Once you tap print photos, then you go to your gallery, select the photo, then select add. So this is the photo. You select paper type, photo glossy, and the size is 4x6 inch. Layout or adjust or test. So you can select all the features. So it's currently glossy paper and 4x6 inch. Then you select next. So this is the features. This is HP app print features. So paper type, photo paper glossy, main tray 4x6 inch, copy, you select how many copies, automatic, color, then you select print. So this is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Now another way to print photo from your mobile phone is for you to go to file, go to my files, then you select image, then you go on top, select print. You will see this app, scroll down and look for HP Deskjet. Select on it. So select orientation, portrait, size of document 100x15 and color. Then you select print. Now I want to show you how to print with the laptop. There are two ways to print with laptop. The same procedure, you need to make sure the laptop and the printer are connected to the same network. You go to File Explorer. The first option, go to Files, the photo, open it up. This is the photo we want to print out. Go on top of it, select print icon, change it to portrait, select the size as 4x6 inches, paper type, other glossy inkjet paper, then select print. So this is the other one we printed. If you change your mind, you can cancel it from the top by selecting cancel for you to cancel the photo. This is the photo we printed from the laptop. Another way to print photo is for you to use HP Smart App. So on your mobile phone, you use HP app. From the laptop, you use HP Smart App. Select print photos. Then it will take you for you to select the photos wherever you have the photo from your laptop. Select the photo, select photo, and the photo is now attached. Then you select portrait, one photo per page, paper type, select other glossy inkjet photo paper, then you select print. This is the photo we printed out. So these are ways to print photo from your mobile phone and laptop with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.